The bees are still out in force, but many of the summer flowering perennials have finished. So it's really important that your garden has still got a good amount of late flowering plants so the bees can forage and store up their energy reserves in time for the winter hibernation, because that's going to mean that they've got a greater chance of surviving the colder weather. So I've just gathered together today a few plants that the bees are going to love and will give you lots of late colour in the garden as well. So it's a win-win situation. The first I'm going to talk about is this little hebe here. Now, hebes are a big group of plants, evergreen shrubs. Some are really big, some are really small, so good for borders or pots. We've got some deep red heleniums here. We've also got some sort of burnt orange and yellows. The heleniums are tough perennials that come in lots of fiery shades. We've got the achilleas here. Again, they love the dry sunny spots, but they're flattened plate-like flower heads, really good for adding structure. We've got lots of different types of salvias, again another big group of plants, some quite big, some very small at the front there. Persicarias right in front of me here. These are moisture-loving perennials coming in different shades of pinks and almost reds. And we've got these Caryopteris as well, which are late flowering deciduous shrubs with aromatic foliage. We've got this Eupatorium. This is a moisture-loving giant. Gets to over 2 meters eventually. The bees love it. And another tall plant is Verbena bonariensis. What's good about this is it again gets to about 1.82 meters tall, but it's so light and airy, so it gives you height without becoming too heavy and oppressive. There's just a few plants that will keep the bees stocked up on nectar and get them ready in preparation for the winter ahead.